Hello everyone, and welcome to our tutorial on how to install Python and Pygame for Windows 10. And we're simply going to Google search for download Python. Okay, this should take us to the Python site if we follow this first link, python.org/downloads. And the version we want is 3.6.5. And it's just going to begin to download an executable file. So what we want to do is add this to our path, and then we're going to select this guy up here. Now this should download everything we need: idle, pip, and the documentation. It's going to create the shortcuts and file association, so we're just going to go ahead and click on this. Alright, so it looks like the setup was successful. We have it successfully downloaded and installed. It's just a matter of accessing it. So for this, we're actually going to just go to our search and we're going to look for Python. We want Python 3.6, but we're not going to open this up because this will actually open up a terminal or a command prompt. We're going to right click here, we're going to open up the file location, and it should take us to this folder or this directory where we have a few items. We have idle. This is actually going to be the program that we're going to write our code in. If you want to take a look at what that looks like, go ahead and open it up, although we'll explore it more in the next section anyway. There is Python 3.6. This is just a way to run up a command prompt or a terminal. There's manuals and manual documents. So what we'll want to do is actually right click on this again, and we're going to go for open file location, and this should take us to a new file or a new directory. So within here we should have scripts. So we're going to go to our scripts folder, right click on that or double click on that, and you should see a bunch of easy installs, and there's the pip, so the Python packaging. I think it's something to do with Python packaging installer or something. And so we're not actually going to run these just yet. We're actually going to copy this file path. So if you right click on here, we're just going to select this all, and we're going to copy it. So Command C is just copying it. So next step is going to involve a little bit of terminal work. We're actually going to open up a command prompt. You can do CMD, terminal, either of them will open up the same thing. So we're just going to go ahead and open that up now. So you see it says C :users/user. We're actually going to right click here, and it should just paste that in as soon as we right click. If not, then just paste it in, and forgot the change directory command. So we're just going to go CD and then space and this. So CD is the command for changing the current working directory, so change directory. And so we're just going to change the directory to this path. So let's click enter, and now we're in this path here. So what we're going to do is we're going to select pip, or type rather pip install Pygame. We're going to click enter, and this will start the installation of Pygame. The great thing is that it will actually download the latest version of Pygame. In my case, I've actually already downloaded it. As you can see, requirement already satisfied. But if you haven't downloaded this, this will just take a few minutes to actually download it. So it should give you like a progress bar, tell you how far along it's done, and then once it's done, it will give you a command like this.